Have you ever seen an elephant at a circus or a zoo? It's a massive, powerful creature, capable of uprooting trees. But have you ever noticed that sometimes, this giant animal is held in place by nothing more than a small rope tied to one of its front legs? No chains, no cage, just a single piece of rope stopping it from escaping. Isn't that strange? A man once passed by some elephants and was completely baffled by this. He saw these huge animals that could easily break free from their bonds. But for some reason, they didn't even try. He was curious, so he found a trainer nearby and asked why these magnificent animals just stood there and made no attempt to get away. The trainer replied, "Well, when they are very young and much smaller, we use the same size rope to tie them. At that age, it's strong enough to hold them. As they grow up, they're conditioned to believe they still can't break away. They believe the rope can still hold them, so they never try to break free." The man was amazed. These animals could, at any moment, break free from their bonds. But because they believed they couldn't, they were stuck right where they were. They had accepted the limitation from their past that no longer existed. This story really makes you think, doesn't it? How many of us go through life hanging onto a rope of old beliefs that hold us back? Just like those elephants, we might have failed at something once or twice when we were younger, less experienced, or just not ready. And because of that, we decided we couldn't do it, and we never tried again. We carry this belief, this rope, with us for years, letting it limit our potential. Think about it. Maybe it was a subject in school you struggled with, a business idea that didn't take off, or a relationship that didn't work out. We tell ourselves, "I'm just not good at math," or "I'm not cut out to be an entrepreneur," or "I'm just unlucky in love." These are the ropes we tie around our own ankles. We accept these narratives without questioning if they're still true. But are they? The person you are today is not the same person you were 5, 10, or 20 years ago. You've grown, you've learned, you've gained experience. The circumstances that held you back then might be completely irrelevant now. That tiny rope that once seemed like an unbreakable chain is now just a piece of string. The only thing giving it power is your belief in it. The most powerful prison is the one we build in our own minds. We become prisoners of our own self-limiting beliefs. But the good news is, you hold the key. The first step to breaking free is awareness. You have to recognize the ropes. What are the "I can't" statements you repeat to yourself? What are the old failures you're still letting define your future? Once you identify them, you have to challenge them. Ask yourself, is this really true, or is it just a story I've been telling myself? Go back to that rope and give it a little tug. Test the assumption. Maybe you can take a small step towards that thing you thought was impossible. Sign up for that online course. Draft that business plan. Go out and meet new people. Just try. Failure is not a life sentence. It's a lesson. It's part of the process of growth. Every successful person has a long list of failures behind them. The difference is, they didn't let those failures become a permanent rope. They learned from them, got stronger, and broke free. So, what rope is holding you back? It's time to stop believing in the power of that tiny rope. You are stronger, wiser, and more capable than you think. You are not the small elephant you once were. You are a magnificent, powerful being with incredible potential. The world is waiting for you to break free and show what you can really do. Do not let a memory of what you could undo yesterday stop you from achieving what you can do today. It's time to break the rope. Thanks so much for watching. If this story resonated with you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content to help you unlock your potential. See you in the next one.